This first full week of November then, let's start with where we're at right now, which is 70s and 80s statewide. 78 in Austin. That's a little warmer than average for this time of year, but not excessively so. Mostly clear skies statewide, and we do expect a lot of sun this week. There will be no shortage of that. In fact, as I take you into the future with our clouds and radar, you're going to notice that the clock changes, but not a whole lot else. There will barely be a cloud in the sky tonight, barely, if any, clouds in the sky tomorrow. Tomorrow night, mostly clear as well. Wednesday, barely a cloud around too. So a lot of sun on the way here this week. Tonight we'll be down to 50. Clear skies, a little warmer than it was this morning, but there'll be some 40s, especially in our eastern counties and certainly in the hill country, with even some mid 40s for overnight lows. We should be in the mid 50s this time of year. So even that 50 in Austin is still cool and cooler than average, just not as cool as this morning was when we started in the 40s. We'll be up to 80 here tomorrow, which is probably around where our official high for the day is going to be today. So not a huge temperature change coming tomorrow, perhaps a degree warmer, waiting on the official numbers here today. But full sunshine, south wind helping to keep the heat in place, 5 to 15 miles per hour. And numbers likely warmer than that in the hill country, some middle and even upper 80s on the way here for them tomorrow. Then we go into Wednesday, mid 80s, Thursday, 86, Friday, 89. So you can see the trend is for warming. That 89, by the way, on Friday would tie the record high for back in 1988 at Austin's Camp Mabry. You can see where we should be this time of year, and that is in the mid 70s instead. But every single day of the work week anyway, in the 70s. What about humidity? Well, there's not going to be a whole lot of that, but we will notice the humidity rising a little bit as we head through the week. Some slightly muggy mornings, but still some reasonably comfortable afternoons. And then the air dries out even more so on Friday. And that's going to allow our temperatures to jump into the upper 80s. Then we go into the weekend, mostly sunny Saturday and Sunday, 87 Saturday. And then cold front comes in late Saturday night or Sunday morning, knocks us down to 77 on Sunday. And then mostly sunny skies, even cooler on Monday. I do want to mention the season is upon us here. It's our Friendsgiving Challenge, where the morning team comes up against our evening team to try and raise the most money for the Central Texas Food Bank. And you know that right now they need our help more than ever. So go to KXAN.com/Friendsgiving and then click on Team Evening, right, Will? And then you can donate your money to Team Evening. I'll tell you, the morning team have a real head start ahead of us now. They've got more than $2,000 collected. We've got just $700. Of course, this all goes to the same place at the end, but we could really use your help.